Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best garage door insulation DIY kits within your budget? Today's video breaks down the top 5 best garage door insulation DIY kits. Starting at number 5, we have the Reflective Garage Door Insulation Kit. Reflects 95% of radiant heat, has excellent resistance to the conductive flow of heat, and creates an air pocket to obtain an R8 value insulation. Made of supreme quality material 5mm closed-cell polyethylene foam, not a cheap bubble, sandwiched between highly reflective engineered foil on both sides. 2 reflective surfaces are twice as effective. Comes with new and improved heavy-duty double-sided tape. This tape can be used in extremely hot and cold climates. Keeps 95% of summer heat out of your garage space, and prevents heat loss through the garage door in winter. Easy to install, very clean, finished look, non-toxic, non-carcinogenic. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kraken Bond FastCoat Spray Foam Insulation Kit. There are some concerns about applying spray foam insulation to the inside of a garage door. The potential for product degradation over time, as well as questionable adhesion to some surfaces. However, if you're seeking a high R value of up to 7 per inch of thickness and have some spare change in your pocket, Kraken Bond Fast Coat Spray could be just what your garage needs. Kraken offers a variety of spray foam insulation and accessories. This kit includes 12 cans of spray foam, a spray gun attachment and gun cleaner for wrapping up the job, as well as safety goggles and gloves. The 12 cans cover up to 240 board feet at 1 inch thick, which should be more than enough for a full-size 2-car garage door. Installing spray foam insulation is usually a job for professionals. However, with patience, prep work and plastic sheeting on the garage floor, it's a doable DIY garage project. At number 3, we have the Reach Barrier Garage Door Insulation Kit. The Reach Barrier Garage Door Insulation Kit is one of the more affordable options on our list. It's easy to use and should take between 2 to 3 hours to install. It works best if there's a gap between the foil and the door surface area that you can fill with foam. That must be purchased separately. The lightweight insulation panels create a cooler atmosphere in the summer and a warmer one in the winter. Unfortunately, the kit's adhesive tape may not work that well, so you may need to use another type of tape for the best adhesion. Also, if you have a larger, 2-car garage, you will need more than one kit. At number 2, we have the SmartGARAGE Reflective Garage Door Insulation. Another product that will lower the temperature in the garage in the summer and raise it in the winter is the SmartGARAGE Reflective Garage Door Insulation Kit. While it may take a little longer to install compared to some rival options, it isn't difficult to do as long as you take your time. It creates a noticeable temperature difference and creates a clean, finished look. The polyethylene foam and aluminum insulation features 2 reflective surfaces and is non-toxic and non-carcinogenic. Heavy-duty, double-sided tape is included for installation. The vapor barrier is moisture and mold resistant, and it also acts as a sound barrier. One downside is that the insulation can rip easily if you're not careful when handling it. Also, it may make a little noise when you open and close the garage door. Finally, at number 1, we have the NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core. With a name like NASA Tech, it has to be good, right? This insulation kit creates a significant difference in temperature in summer and winter. It comes with everything you need for insulation, including the tape, razor, and squeegee, and creates professional results. The company's customer service is also top-notch, according to many DIYers, some of whom ran out of tape and received additional tape at no extra cost. However, if you have hurricane braces on the garage door, it can be time-consuming to install this insulation. Also, you may run out of tape before completing the installation. The manufacturer also recommends you cover the windows for optimal results, which may not be desirable to certain users.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.